Hi friends, welcome back to my channel once again. I'm Prajan, and if you want to get more videos from this channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and put on the bell icon. Well, in this video I'm going to talk about a new app that helps you maintain social distancing. Yes friends, the app is called Sodar. Sodar is an app launched by Google and it's still not yet available in the Play Store, but you can sideload it separately. Although during this time, Google is trying to do its bit in helping people maintain their social distancing so that the virus couldn't be spread from person to another person. The app Sodar will create a visual boundary using the user's smartphone camera. Let me tell you how the Sodar app works. Using Sodar on supported mobile devices creates a 2-meter virtual radius ring around you. The perimeter will be superimposed on the actual surroundings of the user, while assuming that the user and the smartphone are at the same spot. Also, the circle keeps moving through the user. Once another person breaches, the screen will visually alert the user. You can access this app using Chrome browsers on Android smartphones. Google has built a contact tracing API with the partnership of Apple and has made it available for health agencies across countries in order to make the app more safe and to maintain the privacy. Apple and Google banned the use of location tracking on the apps that plan to use their contact tracing interface. If you want to access the app, you can use the link which is given in the description below, or scan the QR code from your smartphone on your PC. Let us all be safe during this pandemic. So thank you friends for watching this video. Here I am signing off. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye.